This is the last race. Swamp Ruins. You ready?
Where do you go?
2. Remember? Yeah! I'm on the walls! Literally, I'm on the walls. We're so dead. You just got small. Yep.
Pick me up above.
You're in 9th place. Oh man, I got in 2nd.
Where was I? Am I done?
Nope. Well, that's because I am.
Are you going to just run me off the road?
Yep.
We're supposed to be playing together.
No, you got twisted. This is a versus. When I get close to you, you're not gonna like me.
I don't know who's close to me. I'm just scared.
You're not gonna like who's gonna be close to you in a few minutes. By the way, you're in 12th place. Oh god, I laughed so much that it's hard to laugh now.
Go.
Congratulations, you are in 3rd lap. I'm just about to finish my 3rd lap.
Come on back up there, shit.
Ah, crap. And I'm done. And I'm done.
Do I have to finish?
Yes.
No. Do I have to finish the sentence?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You know exactly what I
Guys, just say it to the camera.
No, I ain't saying it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be nice. Really, you're all done.
Yup. Oh my god. Look, she's all mad as shit. You got 4 points.
I'm still dating to get the right?
Yup.
That is me.
Yes. Now we view results. See who got the medal. I want to see your reaction to this. Oh look! There's you!
Where?
There's
There I am.
you!
There I am on the car.
And there's me!
Yeah, you suck.
There's you!
Hey!
Oh, and there's you getting hit by lightning! Smile for the camera!
Where? Don't shoot. Oh, please.
I got first place in all of
I
them.
saw that.
Look! You're in last place in the entire circuit!
You can bite me. See the camera? He can bite me. Peace out, man.
That's my mom, folks! Give a good subscribe for her, cause this isn't the end. We're gonna finish our bet, and I'm gonna get a free game on it in 2 weeks. It's gonna be awesome. So bye!